Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. So in today's video we're going to go through a step-by-step process on how you create a new YouTube channel. So it's actually really quick and really easy, so let's get into today's video. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go over to youtube.com. Once you're here you need to go up to your profile icon on the top right hand corner, so select that. Then you're going to go down to where it says switch accounts, so click on switch accounts, then go down to view all channels. Okay, so once you're in view all channels, it'll give you a list of your actual channels that you already have. Most you'll probably only have one. There's a button here that says create a channel, so let's click that. Okay, so it's going to ask you your channel name, so let's pick, I don't know, viral phenomenon. Can't think of anything. You pick whatever name you want your channel called. I understand that I am creating a Google account with its own settings, including YouTube search and history, blah blah blah. So you need to tick this box to make sure you do, and you simply click create. And once you click create, you should get a notification in a minute. So it's just going through the process of actually setting up your channel and that. Okay, so now you've actually set up your channel, you have no videos, you have no subscribers, you have no anything you haven't. So the next thing you'll need to do is you'll need to customize your channel. So basically this video is just for how to set up the channel. I'm going to do a separate video on how to customize the channel, how to put in a banner, how to put in, an image and all that, so and how to upload some videos. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions just drop them in the comments below and I'll do whatever I can to help you answer them. Thank you very much.